So one day I woke up and I thought about doing a review. Here it is. I am using H5 for about a year. The main reason for me to buy it was to have a handy field recorder with stereo mics and XLR inputs for other stuff. I've been using it also here to record my voice for my videos. And before we start, if this is your first time here, leave a like, subscribe and do all the other YouTube stuff that everyone talks about. Thanks. First, some quick facts. I've been recording with Sennheiser MKH416 and the Zoom stereo capsule. I've been working on Eneloop rechargeable batteries outside and the USB power supply inside. I've been using other Zoom recorders before. I did my first movie on H6, later I've been using F4 and F8 on the movie sets. I didn't buy anything from the F-series mainly because I wanted my recorder to be handy and the timecode was an unnecessary feature for me at this time. I bought it with the APH5 accessories set, wind protection, USB power adapter and a remote. In Poland for Polish money, but here are some offers to compare. And quickly through the basic features. Includes detachable XY capsule, capable of handling 140 dB compatible with all Zoom input capsules. 4-track simultaneous records directly to SD and SDHC cards up to 32 gigabytes.
Up to 24-bit 96 kHz audio in BWF compliant waves
Mic line inputs with XLR TRS combo connectors, including low-cut filtering, compression and minus 20 dB pad. Yeah, you can read it on the Zoom's website, so now my thoughts. Is it handy? Yeah, it is. You don't even need a bag to feel comfortable. Is the sound quality satisfying? For this price? Yes. For example, this is the raw recording of me in front of MKH416 and a Zoom, right here, right now. And this is the ambience recording made with this stereo capsule. Without the wind protection and with. I am sure you can find plenty of examples of more interesting sounds from H5 on the internet. Battery life. I've been out for some field recordings, both with my shotgun mic and the stereo capsule, and I never had to change my Eneloop rechargeable batteries. I don't have any specific data, but I would say it will last around 6 to 8 hours with this mic setup. Who should buy it? Well, me. As you may know, I mostly use it for my sound design recordings. Whether they are field recordings of ambiances or follies or anything else. You can work really fast with this guy, and that was one of the main pros for me. If you do videos, you can mount it on the camera or the cage. You can plug in some wireless lav mics or shotgun capsule or whatever. Again, it's handy. You're a podcaster? You know the answer. You can use Zoom H5 as USB audio interface. But when you work in professional film industry, then the answer is nah. Few inputs, no timecode, live mixing, But if you are a Zoom fan, you should go for F4 or higher. The front of the Zoom H5. The LCD display is clear and bright, input selection and transfer buttons easy to use. Metal bar should protect against changing the levels accidentally, or do other things. I've used it to mount a wireless receiver once. But this was me, and I think that bar wasn't designed for that. I have used 3 capsules for Zooms: stereo, mid-side and shotgun. In my opinion, the stereo sounds the best, considering what we expect from a given type of mic. One thing I do not like is the default folder and files arrangement. It looks messy for me and I don't think it's very transparent. But I've figured it out, so I don't care. So, let's sum it up. Pros: size, price, sound quality, battery life, versatility and modularity. Cons: no timecode and folders. I know this probably isn't the best review you've ever seen, but I think you've learned something about Zoom H5 and now you can decide whether to buy it or not. Thanks for watching and see you next time.